Hello students, I am Shobhana. Welcome to my channel Commerce Cognition. In this video, I am going to discuss about the full course of Tally ERP 9 with the course details, fee structure and eligibility. So, all the viewers are requested to watch the full video and keep like, share and subscribe to this channel. So, let's start today's topic. So, before starting today's topic, I want to give you some basic information about Tally. So, what is Tally? Tally is basically an accounting software which is used for entry of business transactions which is occurred day to day, and not only the recording of transactions, it will provide all the reports which are used as financial statements or the financial result interpretation of a business organization. So Tally is complete accounting solution for a business organization. Basically, the Tally software is founded by the Tally Solutions Private Limited, and the founder is Shyamsundar Goenka and his son Bharat Goenka. The Tally software is introduced first in the year 1986. After that, it is got upgraded and transformed, and today the version is Tally is regularly known as Tally.ERP 9, and also in 2020 the version of Tally Prime introduced. So here is the basic information about Tally which I have been discussed. So now get to the topic about the Tally course, which is Tally.ERP 9. What is called Tally and what is ERP 9? That is I am going to explain further. So first know the full form of Tally. What is Tally stands for? Transactions allowed in a linear line years. Okay, and the portion ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. The version is 9. Okay, so here the software is called Tally.ERP 9. The total course of Tally.ERP 9 is divided into 4 categories. Okay, first is CTFAP, second is Diploma in Tally, third is Advanced Diploma, and last is PG Diploma. So next I am first going to discuss about the first course, that is CTFAP, which is called Certificate in Tally Financial Accounting Program. Okay, first coming to the eligibility of this course. Higher secondary appeared or higher. So the eligibility required for this course is minimum ages and higher of this. That means BCom, MCom and other courses, not only from commerce background as well as from other streams, can do the course. Okay, so the basic need is ages. Okay, the duration of this course is 7 months or 84 classes, and course fee is approximate 12,000, and there will be free books provided by Tally Academy is number 6. The course details also given here. The topics that will be covered in this course, that is first is accounting and financial management, inventory management, statutory capabilities, payroll accounting, Tally.net capabilities, technical capabilities, Tally audit, documents presentation, audit working papers, audit analysis, audit reports, live project with company accounts. This is the first course. And coming to the second course, that is Diploma. So here in Diploma courses, the first course will be same, which is discussed in the previous slide. Okay, and the addition will be which are given here, that is introduction to e-filing, new GST registration, GST returns, that is GSTR 1, 2, 3B and 4, last updated rates in GST form, income tax filing, ETDS, that is form 16A and 26Q, that is TDS returns, that means tax deducted at source, profession tax, ESI, PF, tax form download, fill up and upload. So in Diploma courses, the basic of Tally and the tax filing portion is included, and the eligibility for this course is as well as the previous, that is minimum of ages and higher of ages, and the duration is 11 months or 110 classes, and the course fees will be 12,000 for the first semester, and extra 5,000 will be added for the diploma and extra topics. Therefore, the total course fees for diploma is 17,000. Now coming to the third course, that is Advanced Diploma in Financial Accounting Program. There will be the first semester as well as from the first slide, second semester as well as discussed in the previous slide, and the addition will be in third course will be this. Here, Introduction to Advanced Excel, Flash Bill, Data Validation and Advanced Conditional Formatting, Data Table, Solver and Advanced Financial Analysis, Conditional Logics, Lookup and Charts, Pivot Tables, chart and match index, functions and formulas with formatting, power pivot and working with other formulas, quick references, sheets and miscellaneous question and answer. This will be covered in the third course. First semester will be same as basic tally, second semester for the income tax portion and GST portion, and third semester is for the portion of advanced Excel. And coming to the last, that is PG Diploma in Financial Accounting program. Here first semester same as CTFAP, second semester as DTFAP, and third semester as per advanced Excel, and fourth semester advanced word processing. So in fourth semester you are going to learn the softwares like MS Word, PowerPoint presentations, that's all. And for the PG Diploma courses, eligibility will be same as the previous, higher secondary appeared or higher, and duration will be 14 months or 148 classes. Courses fees will be 23,000. So students, after completing this course, you can do your job as accountant or tax consultant in any organization, and hope these informations will help you. So keep like, share and subscribe to this channel. So all the new viewers are requested to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest information about new videos. Thank you for watching.